Magic Bob gave us a beautiful presentation. He hit the mark. It was character education. It fit in with our program next week, and the kids were amazed at his magic. Highly recommend.
You see the education you're getting at the school, all the tax dollars your parents pay are worth it. Okay, representing the teachers, you'll be given every opportunity to see how it's not done. Oh, what is the rotational speed of Jupiter?
Rodino. I'm the librarian at Somerset Intermediate School. We just had two great shows with Magic Bob. The students were very, very enthralled. The teachers' feedback was terrific. Other people are asking about hiring him. And we just had a really nice luncheon with some students who wrote an essay who wanted to have lunch and meet the magician. And all together, it was a very, very exciting morning.
Say something nice? Don't say anything at all. He thinks he's so smart. Let's ask him a math question. Mark, how much is 2 plus 2? 22. No, it's not 22. They know it's 4. Mark, how do you like school? I like it closed. You like it closed?
And the messages that he gave during the show were just unbeatable, just wonderful, what we wanted the children to hear, and they were really paying attention to them.
I'm the librarian here at Fawn Hollow School, Monroe, Connecticut, and Magic Bob did a great performance for our One School, One Book, and he had 2 different shows depending on the ages of the kids. They were engaged, they were excited about reading, and we absolutely loved it.